If you've ever wanted to enhance the clarity and sharpness of your display on Windows 10, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to increase your screen display resolution, allowing for a crisper and more detailed visual experience. Let's get started. To increase the screen display resolution in Windows 10, follow these steps. Go to Start menu, open Settings, and now open Systems. In the Display Settings window, you'll see a slider. Move the slider to the right to increase the resolution. As you adjust the slider, the display resolution will change, allowing you to choose the desired resolution. I want to change the formatting from plain text to bold. Let's change that. In the Display Settings window, scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Now click on the Advance Size of Text and Other item. And here Title is selected, and click the checkbox and hit Apply. Now you can see the title formatting has changed. Close the Display Settings window and you're done. Your screen display resolution is now increased. Remember, choosing a higher resolution may make text and icons smaller, so make sure it's comfortable for you to read and navigate your screen.
If this video helps, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.